My name is Gordon Miller, and I farm over in west central Illinois. We're a corn soybean farming operation. We're strip till and no-till. And I began using Trimble software in 2011, but before that I was using Trimble monitors and displays beginning in 2009. I began using QuickBooks for my financial reporting and SMS software for my mapping. We've been mapping since 2002, and so I was familiar with SMS software. I was using a lot of spreadsheets to keep track of things that I couldn't do with my financial software for field planning and that sort of thing. And I was looking for something that would be fully integrated because it was really difficult to piece all of that together. And so I began my search for some software that would really accomplish the integration of everything, so they didn't have a lot of double entry of data and run the risk of errors and that sort of thing. So in that search, I looked at Trimble Ag software and found that it was fully integrated, and so I made the switch to that software. And I'll have to say that it was quite a learning curve for me because it did so much. And we use the software. We write our own scripts for fertility. We write our own seeding scripts for both corn and soybeans. And the software really did a good job with that. It's easy to use in that respect. And Trimble was doing things in the industry as far as technology was concerned long before anyone else had even thought about it. The reason we switched to Trimble hardware is because we needed to reach a GLONASS satellite system, and others weren't able to do it at the time. We also wirelessly sent data. That was back in 2009, long before anybody else thought of it, and others are just now trying to catch up with that. Send data back and forth between the office and the displays. And we used vehicle sync, which synced had a Wi-Fi connection between the tractors that allowed us to use the row shutoffs when two tractors was in the same field. And that was a big benefit to us. And when we switched to software, it was, like I said earlier, it was a big learning curve, and I'm still learning. I've started that in 2011, and you learn something new all the time. But I do use the software, the functionality of the software as much as I can. But I still use it, and I still need the help of the support team in Hamilton. And they've been very good to work with. You can reach them, you talk to somebody locally, and you don't have to wait for somebody to return a call. So I've been very happy with the software. It's done what I want it to do, and at my age, it'd be hard for me to switch to something else.